Hi, we're Rita and Dave from Alpha Performance. Today we're going to show you a quick way that you can quickly reduce knee pain or shin pain when you're running. One of the biggest problems we see when people are starting to run, or they have to run in heavy gear, heavy boots, or have to run in groups or formations and they're not used to it, is that their running is just off. It's just not smooth yet. And they tend to overstride during any of those things. And so we want to make sure that you step it out, not stride it out when you have shin or knee pain, but you still have to keep running. So what we're going to do is teach you the 3-step rule. And the 3-step rule means that you take 3 steps every second. I'm going to put a metronome on so you can hear what that would sound like, set at 60 steps per minute. A metronome is an app you can get. There's a lot of different ones out there. So that is 1 beat per second. And so to help reduce shin or knee pain, you're going to try to run with 3 steps per second. And what that's going to look like, Dave's going to demonstrate. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What that does is that's running about 180 steps a minute. That might not be the right number of steps or cadence for you to run normally. Most people run between 170 and 190. And there's a bunch of different factors that contribute to that. But if you're dealing with knee or shin pain and you have a tendency to start running slower or to double bounce on each step, or you're overstriding for the demands of that run or that event, step it out, don't stride it out. Take 3 steps per second and you might help reduce that knee or shin pain. For more information about running injuries or running tips, go to our website at alphapnr.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel here.